All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So got the iPhone 12 in purple in. Already unboxed the 12 mini for her, but this is my 12 purple. I just decided to grab this, man. It was such a good deal. It was free, so why not grab it? So how did I get this free? I got this free on T-Mobile. They were offering a special recently. It's now over, but if you traded in an iPhone 8 or above, they gave you $830. And so I just picked the 64 since it was 830 and got this for free. So I had planned this nice video for you guys, and I actually did the video. It was a live unboxing of this phone. Some of you guys caught that, and a lot of you guys didn't. I mean, it was a good amount of people in there, but somehow a funny story. It's not too funny though. I accidentally deleted the actual stream, and it was about an hour long. So that's fine though. This phone is here, and I'm just happy I was able to get it for free, because I was actually going to buy it, and then had the order going or whatever, and then man, I saw that promo, so I backed out of there, canceled that off, and then just waited 24 hours for this deal to start up. And I bought it. I think it was Saturday. It shipped on Monday. I bought it Saturday, and it shipped on Sunday or Monday morning, and it got here today on Wednesday. Today is Wednesday the 12th. So it shipped on Monday, and I got it today. The purple, it's just a purple 12. That's it. It's baby Thanos with flat sides now. I remember my purple iPhone 11. I thought that was a good color too. And yeah, here it is, man. I just want to show you guys that I had it. I had done some videos with the mini and stuff like that next to the mini with this phone. But it definitely looks really good in person. It's a lot brighter over video. In person though, it's deeper on the sides, and the back is like really purple. But it's hard for my camera to kind of catch that really good strong purple. It does a good job overall with the wallpaper. I'm sure I could address some settings and make it show really, really purple in the hue, but not really necessary. I just wanted to show you guys that it's here. And sorry that you guys missed that live stream. I actually accidentally deleted it, man. I was perturbed or whatever, but I was like, you know what, it's all good. So one thing I do want to talk about though is I'll be checking out. I actually got iPhone battery cases for all of the iPhones last year. This has been in my storage since last year, October or November might have been. Whenever this came out, I had it. And I shout out to Zero Lemon for taking care of me on this last year. And I just kind of forgot to do it, if I'm being honest. But I do have two of them, so I'm going to be giving one of these away. They're both sealed. I'll start my review period. And in that particular video, don't leave something about a giveaway in this. I'm just letting you know I'll be reviewing this and I'll be giving one of those away. When you see that Zero Lemon video, that means, hey, you know, I'm getting ready to go ahead and do my thing with that. So yeah, size comparison next to this. The mini, she just went back into the other, and I was like, you know, that's fine. I got some footage of it though, but size comparison, this is actually a lot bigger than the mini, but it's obviously a lot smaller than the Max. And I just think this middle ground right here is, I think Apple's doing a good job by taking care of people who want a very small phone, and the people who want kind of a mid-size, which is this phone right here, and then those people who want a very big phone, which is definitely the Max. The Max is a very big phone. I mean, I just kind of I like the Max, but if I'm being honest, the weight of the phone is kind of agitating after a while, man. It gets a little agitating because when I put a case on it, that's when I feel the pain. That's when I feel the pain of how big this phone is. Like if I'm working out or something like that, that's when I feel it. And so this phone right here is definitely doesn't feel as heavy as the Max, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now the 12 Pro is a device I think I could have gotten any iPhone, but I didn't want the 12 Pro obviously because I have this Pro right here, and the extra $300 or $200, $290, whatever it was, that's obviously not worth it. So I grabbed this right here because also I wanted this color as well. So there it is, man. If you got that deal to get this free, leave a comment down below. If you didn't, If you picked a different iPhone, which iPhone did you get free from them? What did you trade in, and etc. So I hope you guys enjoy, man, and I'll see you guys in the next video.